Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to change 3 common types of wiper blade. The first type is the lock top type. You would need to use a flathead screwdriver. Just insert the screwdriver in the slot and push it the opposite way. Once you hear a clicking noise, all you need to do is remove the wiper blade from the housings and pull it from below. Make sure you put a cloth or a towel on the wiper arm so it wouldn't accidentally fall and break or chip your windscreen. Once you put the new wiper blade, all you need to do push it to the slot and pull the lock area with your screwdriver. Now the second wiper blade is a side lock blade. What you need to do is to rotate it horizontally, also making sure the wiper blade is free from the hook below, and push it or pull it towards the windscreen depending on where you're standing. Once again, use a cloth or a towel to wrap the wiper arm so it wouldn't fall on your windscreen. Now for the third wiper blade, which is the most common wiper blades, what you need to do is pull the wiper arm and the blade towards you and tilt the wiper blade. Once your wiper is at a horizontal angle, all you need to do is push it down and move the rubber to either side of your wiper blade to become free. Once again, place a cloth or a towel on the wiper arm so it wouldn't damage your windscreen. As the U or a J hook is very common in cars, you may also find an attachment to it. The attachment is a click-on type, however you would need to put it on the wiper blade before putting it on your wiper blade arm. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.